Long-term investment and absolute return, or simply LTI, is a wide and comprehensive concept which has got two separate layers. The first one aims to identify strategies of fund managers willing to create value long-term, despite financial market trends, investing in financial securities, both liquid and illiquid. The second one is more specific and covers a portion of financial assets which are fast-growing and long-term and absolute return per se. The evidence is, 20 years ago, LTI represented 5 to 7% of portfolios, while today they are moving to 15%, and many scholars and practitioners predict they will jump to 25% in 5 years. It's a quantum leap, and it's a seismic shift we have to explore, whereas the common denominator is to ensure investment decisions had a permanent impact on growth. We have two questions to face. What does this area stand for? And which investment does it enclose? First, in terms of definition, LTI and absolute return covers investment, both liquid and illiquid, whereas the value generation is not short-term, but it's driven by the underlying assets or projects or companies. And markets don't have a major role to announce upside for investors, while investors have a crucial role to unlock potential and profit. Second, LTI in absolute return encloses several asset classes which always evolve under the pressure of innovation. The most relevant can be classified into equity investing private, like private equity, venture capital and distressed. Equity investment liquid, like long, distressed and long short. Debt investment, liquid and illiquid. Credits and non-performing loans. Securities issued by financial institutions. Real estate and infrastructure. The trend of LTI is very favorable because private wealth is getting to 6 times the amount of world's GDP. 1/3 is liquid and ready to be invested. Interest rates are stuck and close to zero. Diversification is the mantra to face uncertainty in a more uncertain world. Financial needs coming from the real world are evolving as well as regulation, stimulating the presence of new securities. This means that a new ecosystem is born where investors and investees could cooperate to make profit and value happening with a stronger societal impact at large. It means more GDP and more employment worldwide to be used for a better society. It's really the revolutionary power, or better, the regenerative power of finance. Challenges are so complex that the aim of the Algebris Chair is to be ambitious and impactful by covering two very different sides. The first one is to promote top-notch research at large, to deepen the knowledge of LTI, to disseminate it within students, practitioners and scholars. The second one is more challenging, as its aim is to unlock the potential of young talents to become a future generation of fund managers able to master LTI and absolute return to have a permanent impact on growth. For this ambitious purpose, the Chair will promote and manage every year a unique training camp tailor-made for Bocconi students with the involvement of top fund managers worldwide coming from all the asset classes of LTI.